Hi teacher, my name is Diana. Today I'm going to make my pronunciation workshop, so I'm going to start. The first sentence is, we have to go to the school today. You are my best friend. My favorite fruit is green apple. I like cooking at home on my weekends. She is a beautiful princess. My boyfriend is a good teacher. I like to go to the gym on my weekdays. I have a full-time job and it's so hard. I have the best family. He is an amazing engineer. I like to stay at home when I am sad. People are so friendly in Colombia. If you like nature, you have to go to Tayrona National Park. It's a great experience. Villavicencio, it's a beautiful city. My sister is tall and she has brown eyes. So that's all. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.